SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to block most cookies in Firefox on iPhone 15 Pro. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. The Firefox browser on your iPhone has a number of different ways that you can protect your privacy. And while there isn't a specific option that lets you block all of the cookies in the browser, you do have the option to block most of them. So to block most cookies in Firefox on your iPhone, simply open the Firefox app. You can then tap the three lines at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then you can select the settings option from this menu. Now you just need to scroll down until you find the tracking protection option in the privacy section, and then you can select that. Once you're on this screen, simply choose the strict option, and you'll see that once this is enabled, you're going to block more trackers, ads, and pop-ups, plus pages will load faster, although some functionality may not work.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.